Hello and welcome to CyberKimps. Today we're going to walk you through on how to create a WordPress website in just 4 simple steps. Before we get started, it's important to note that WordPress is a content management system or CMS. It allows you to easily create and manage a website. It's particularly popular for businesses because it's user-friendly, customizable, and has a wide range of features and plugins that can help you create a professional-looking website. Now let's get started with the tutorial. First, you'll need to set up hosting for your website. This is essentially a service that allows your website to be accessible online. There are many hosting providers to choose from. We recommend you choose Kinsta. Kinsta is a premium hosting service, specifically designed for WordPress websites. They use cutting-edge technology including the Google Cloud Platform and LXD containers to ensure fast and stable hosting for your website. But Kinsta isn't just about speed and reliability. They also offer 24/7 support from their team of WordPress experts, so you can get help with any issues or questions you may have. And the user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to manage your hosting and your website. So, if you want the best hosting experience for your WordPress website, give Kinsta a try. Check the description below to sign up for Kinsta hosting. You won't be disappointed. So next, in order to easily edit our website, we're going to install a new theme. So the new theme is called Responsive. To install the theme, let's go to Appearance. And click Themes. Now click Add New. And search for Responsive. So, we're going to install this theme. Just click Install. And click Activate. OK. So the theme is activated. The next step is to install and activate the Responsive Starter Templates plugin that comes with 100+ free and premium starter templates. You'll see the notice to install and activate the Responsive Starter Templates. Click the Install and Activate button. The next step is to pick a template. Here, you will find 100+ pro and free templates to choose from. For example, we'll select the yoga template. Here, you'll find an import button. Next, click on the Import Site button. And lastly, hit the Launch Site button. You can now go to the final step, which is to edit the content. So, to edit any page of your site, you just have to go into the page and click Edit with Elementor. So, let's say you want to edit the home page. You just simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And now you will go into this editing section. So, let's say you want to change the text here. You just selected the text and then start typing anything you want. So, I'm going to type, "Hi, welcome to my new website." And now if you want to change the text on this button, you just click here and change the text on this button here. So, in the same way, you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing, and this works throughout the website. So, once you're done with the changes, you can simply save the page by clicking Update and all your changes will be saved. Now, you can view the page by clicking here the Preview option. So, you can see all of the changes are saved here. Okay, so now you know how you can edit any page of your site. That's it, you now know the basic steps for creating a business WordPress website. With a little bit of time and effort, you can create a professional-looking website that helps you grow your business online. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such tutorials, and I look forward to seeing your new business website.